Hi everyone, I'm Emma.
And it's me, Jake.
And this is Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Today, you'll learn simple English so you can talk about weather and the seasons.
And why Jake thinks every season is snack season.
Hey, I don't just think that, I know it for a fact.
Yeah, that sounds about right. When we talk about weather, we mean things like temperature, rain, sunshine, wind, what's happening outside right now.
And seasons are the big changes in weather during the year, like summer, winter, spring, and fall.
And Jake remembers the seasons based purely on what he can eat.
Summer, ice cream. Fall, pumpkin pie. Winter, hot chocolate. Spring, allergy medicine.
Okay, I'm totally on board with those first three snacks.
Yeah?
But are you telling me you eat allergy medicine as a springtime snack?
Achoo!
Yikes.
Just thinking about springtime gets my allergies going.
Dude, you gonna be okay?
It's pollen. Pollen hates me.
Ugh. People talk about the weather all the time. You can say things like, it's sunny today, or it's raining.
Or, can you believe this heat? I'm pretty sure it was a day just like this that wiped out the dinosaurs.
Pretty sure that was a meteor, Jake. Totally different thing. Anyway, let's get back on track. You can also say, it's cold, it's windy, or it's cloudy.
You know, my favorite weather is when it's cloudy, but not raining. Perfect for napping.
Right. As if you need special weather for that.
What can I say? I'm pretty much an expert. I can nap in all conditions.
There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Spring is when the weather starts to get warmer, the birds start to sing, and the flowers start to grow.
And my allergies start to grow too. Achoo!
Aw, poor Jake.
Yep, I suffer bravely.
In summer, the days are long and the weather is hot.
But don't let the heat get you down. If you're lucky, an ice cream truck will show up and save the whole hot day.
You really do have a one-track mind.
I'd say it's more like a one-snack mind.
Yep. Next is fall, the season when it starts to get cooler and the leaves begin to change color.
And the smell of pumpkin pie fills the air. Just before it fills my belly.
Very funny, Jake.
I know, right?
And then there's winter, the coldest season.
You know, now that I think about it, it could have been an ice meteor that hit the Earth and froze the dinosaurs into extinction. Does that ring a bell?
Yes, Jake, it rings a bell. A very wrong bell. You can ask, what's the weather like today?
Is it going to rain?
Or, do I need a jacket?
I pretty much always need a jacket.
Even in summer?
Yes, restaurants have air conditioning. And I also get cold stares from the waiters when I can't figure out what to order. It makes me chilly.
Fair enough. Let's review some useful English words from today.
First, sunny, when the sun is shining.
Second, rainy, when drops of water fall from the sky.
Third, windy, when the air is blowing so much it tries to steal your hat.
Fourth, season, one of the 4 parts of the year, each with different weather.
And fifth, cloudy, when the sky is covered with clouds.
Repeat after me. It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
Now try, what's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
And finally, my favorite season is summer.
My favorite season is summer, but only because of the ice cream.
Today, we talked about weather and seasons, how to describe the weather, and how to talk about the 4 seasons.
And we learned words like sunny, rainy, windy, season, and cloudy.
Nice job following along. Now you can talk about weather and seasons in clear, natural English.
And remember, weather can be an excellent guide to help plan your menu.
No, I don't think that's helpful for anyone other than you, buddy.
I can respect that. Strategic snacking is an acquired skill.
Thanks for listening,
Keep practicing your English. You're getting better every time.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
Unless we get hit with another ice meteor. That would mess up everything.
Oh, brother.